Hello my dear students. I welcome you all to another interesting session of economics. I am sure that you are understanding the concepts of economics. We are in week 6 of our e-learning classes. Together we will go through this. So, let us see what we are going to study in today's lesson. The objectives of our today's lesson are that you understand and know about price, to know about the difference between price and value, to know and write about wealth, and to solve the worksheet which will be shared with you in the end. Dear students, you are always welcome to ask questions. So if you have any confusion in the mentioned concepts, you can ask. My bright students, you know we are going to study a very interesting topic today. You must have heard the term price many times. Price has a very different meaning in economics. Price is not value. Let me clear this thing. Value and price are two different concepts. So let us see what is price. When you go for shopping, you pay price of different products. So have you ever thought, what does this term mean? So now I will tell you the literal meaning of price. When the value of a good or service is expressed in terms of money, or a unit of currency, that is called price. Students, do you know what is currency? Currency is the money which we use in different countries. For example, in Qatar we use Qatari riyals, in Pakistan we use rupees. Price shows the value in exchange of an item. Price can be called a source of measurement of its value. Price is the amount of money that has to be paid to acquire a given product. The amount people are prepared to pay for a product represents its value. Price is also a measure of value. Price is a measure of value. Is it clear? My dear students, now we will study about the difference between price and value. So, what is this difference? Price is taken to be the amount of money that is mainly paid for a particular product or service. You know, when you pay money to get or purchase something, that is the price of that commodity. On the other hand, the value is the quality of the product or service that one gets after paying the relevant price associated or set by its producer or manufacturer. See students, value is the benefit received from a product. So it is not necessary that if a product has a high price it must be valuable. Am I right, students? Let's see few examples of price. The price of your laptop is rupees 50,000. The price of your shoes is Qatari riyals 70. The price of 1 kg rice is rupees 200. The price of 1 meter cloth is Qatari riyals 60. What is wealth? Wealth measures the value of all the assets of worth owned by a person, community, company, or country. So, what do we mean by assets? Assets are all your resources or possessions or valuables which increases your net worth, your financial position. Essentially, wealth is the accumulation of scarce resources. Accumulation means when many resources come together or are gathered at one place. The phone which you have, the bank balance, the property, all are your assets and called wealth. In economics we can say that all the goods and services which possess value are wealth. In economics, tangible and intangible resources are called wealth. I hope you remember the meaning of tangible and intangible. Tangible means which can be seen, for example your watch, your car, your phone. Intangible means which we can't see or touch, for example your image, your opinions, your personal qualities. Examples: car, gold, bank balance, personal qualities, good name of the business. Profession of a man is also his wealth because he can earn from that professional skill. We can also explain wealth by this statement. Wealth is usually a measure of net worth, that is, it is a measure of how much a person has in savings, investments, real estate, and cash. Real estate means your property, house or land.
What is wealth? Wealth means that everyone is working to produce lots of the things that people want. A person on a desert island with a huge pile of gold has no wealth. But if there are other people around to produce lots of stuff, then he is potentially very wealthy. Wealth is not natural resources. You could have a mountain full of minerals and metals, or an entire desert full of oil, and these would be worth very little without the machines for extraction and purification. But these capital goods, are they wealth? Now we're getting closer, but we're not quite there. If a factory is built but never used, it is a waste, not wealth. If the factory is used but produces stuff that nobody wants, that is also waste. Still, is wealth your personal property? A person who owns land or capital goods can gain wealth by renting them out. But even a person who owns very little can achieve prosperity if there are machines and tools available that make work efficient and valuable. Wealth is a process. We maintain our machines and other capital goods. We maintain our fields and prepare them for the next harvest. Wealth is the continual ability to consume and thereby satisfy your greatest desires. When people cooperate by trading, they create wealth and contribute to a process that helps everyone. Live free and help build a wealthy society by cooperating with your fellow human.
I hope you have understood well the concept of wealth from the video. Now you can see your homework on your screens. Watch the lecture twice and after a clear understanding give the answers of the mentioned questions. Feel free to ask anything. Thank you, my dear students. We are done with today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Goodbye.